Hello students, welcome to Online Gate YouTube channel. My name is Srinivas Bhaskara, All India rank 493 in Gate 2014 EC, and also I am an alumni of NIT Surathkal. Online Gate YouTube channel is a collaboration of all the experienced Gate faculty across the India to provide you the best coaching for Gate and other competitive exams at a very minimal pricing. Now you can subscribe to us for more videos and any other updates based on GATE and other competitive exams. If you want to contact us, please see the description given below this video. Thank you. Let's see the next problem. Realize the Boolean function y whose truth table is given below. Now you look at the truth table. 0 0 0 0 0 0 1 0 0 1 0 0 0 0 1 1 1 0 0 1 1 1 0. Now, if you count, only 6 combinations are given. Are you getting it? Only 6 combinations are given. Yes. Now, 1 0 0 is given. 1 1 0 is given. What about 1 0 1? What about 1 1 1? They are not given. They are not given means, right, these combinations never occur. These combinations never occur at the input side. They never occur at the input side. Correct? Then let's see. Now, the question is you need to realize the Boolean function y means you need to develop the hardware. The idea is you need to develop the hardware at the end of the day for this question. Correct? So now, one way of doing this is, okay, you write the y in terms of min terms or max terms. You solve by using Boolean algebra technique. Otherwise, you have a K-map available. So in the K-map, you can locate where all the things are. For 0 0 0, y is 0. For 0 0 0, y is 0. For 0 0 1, y is 0. For 0 0 1, y is 0. For 0 1 0, y is 1. For 0 1 0, y is 1. For 0 1 1, y is 1. 0 1 1, y is 1. 1 0 0, y is 0. 1 0 0, y is 0. 1 1 0, y is 1. Where is 1 1 0 1? Are you getting it? Now, what about 1 0 1 1 1 1? So here we are introducing the concept called don't cares. Generally represented by X or sometimes they say D. It can be X or small d, don't cares. Now don't care is not a fixed logic. Okay. So don't care is not a fixed logic. It can be 0 or it can be treated as 1. Are you getting it? So don't care, we use it for our advantage, not for our disadvantage. Remember this point, okay? This is used for advantage. That means what? Right? So, to group maximum number of ones or zeros. Now, what does this mean is very simple. For example, if you don't take don't cares here, let's say you don't treat it, correct? Now you have to start solving this K-map either by using zeros or ones. So let me consider ones. Are you getting it? Now if you start doing the grouping, group of 8 ones, not possible, 4 ones, not possible, 2 ones, yes. So this is one group that is possible, pair, right? Now what is that pair corresponding to? Y is equal to A bar. In this row, A is constant whose value is 0, so A bar. In these two columns, B is constant whose value is 1, so B. plus here one more pair. Correct? In this entire column, these two are constant, nothing but B, C bar. Right? Now, instead of only doing like this, okay, instead of doing like this, what we can also do is, anyways, 101, 111 are not happening, correct? Anyways, 101, 111 are not happening, treating as don't cares, Now, I can treat this don't cares as 1 in this case, I can treat this don't cares as 1 and try to cover these ones, only these, not the don't care ones, are you getting it? I will try to cover only these ones, correct? In the process, if don't care helps me, I will do it, okay, I will consider it. That means what? Now, 1, 1, 1 are there, if I take this into account, I will have 4 ones group. Are you getting it? Now these groups give me the logical value, correct? Logical expression value. In these rows, A is changing, so leave it. In these two columns, C is changing, so leave it. So you will just get B. Right? So this is the expression. These are the two expressions that you will get, right? That means if I take B common in this expression also, correct? So Y will become B times A bar plus C bar. Now, one thing we should see here is whether the logical values are changing or not for different combinations, correct? So let's solve one by one. You take 0, 0, 0. These are A, B, C values. You take 0, 0, 0, means B value is 0 here. So if I keep 0 here, 0 into anything will be 0. Anyways here, B value is 0. B is 0 here, correct? Now, you take 0, 0, 1. If you take 0, 0, 1, again B value is 0. So this expression is 0. This is 0. Now 0, 1, 0. Now 1 into 0 complement plus 0 complement, because A value, C value is 0 complement. 0 complement is nothing but 1 only, 1 into 1, 1. Here Y is B, B is 1, so I will write. Now next one is 0, 1, 1. So if you take 0, 1, 1, correct? So again if you do this, A is 0 complement means 1 plus anything is 1, B is 1, correct? So again B is 1, so I will write this. Now 1, 0, if you take, B value is 0, so 0 into anything is 0, so here is also 0. Now 1, 1, 0, if you take 1 multiplied by 1 complement plus 0 complement. 0 complement is 1, so 1 into 1 is 1. So here B value is 1. Now if you see, for these 6 combinations, whether I will take this expression, that means without don't cares, I will take this expression by considering the don't cares, I got the same logical value. 101, 111 never occur. So you don't care about that. Are you getting that combination? What will happen to that combination? You don't worry. Are you getting it? Now, you what did I say? You just try to cover once. In the process, if there are any don't cares that are existing nearby, you group them. Right? Second point everyone must keep in mind is, don't or never try to cover don't cares explicitly. Never ever try to don't cover the don't cares explicitly. That means, now what people, generally students will do is this. They will cover this, they will see 1, they will see don't care here, they will try to cover this also like this. Are you getting it? Now you realize, without even covering this, you got the simplified expression. Suppose if you cover this, okay, this cover is nothing but a C. So you are unnecessarily increasing this. Are you getting it? So if you are increasing the Boolean expression, you are increasing the hardware anyways. So never ever try to do that. Only cover ones or zeros. In the process, if the don't taker help you, cover those things. Right? Don't try to cover the don't care. Remember this point. Don't try to cover the don't care explicitly. Right? Don't focus on don't cares. You focus on ones or zeros. In the process, if you have don't cares in between them, you utilize that. Otherwise, leave it. Are you getting it? Now, what is the biggest advantage here is, suppose I will show you one thing called, let's say my hardware requirement, right, without don't cares. Now, your expression is y is equal to b into a bar plus c bar, correct? Now, this can be developed like b into a dot c whole complement, because we know x dot y whole complement is x complement plus y complement according to De Morgan's laws. Are you getting it? Means one AND gate is enough. So, for generating a dot c whole complement, I need an AND gate. The inputs are a, c. It will gives me a dot c whole complement. The next one is very simple. It is just a basic AND gate. Okay, you take an AND gate. You just take an AND gate. Here the value is b. Correct. So you will get b into a dot c whole complement. So the hardware requirement is, I need one AND gate plus one AND gate. Both are 2 inputs. Now this is my hardware requirement. Now I will consider the same thing, hardware, by using don't cares, by considering don't cares. If I consider don't cares, hardware requirement, I mean Boolean expression is y is b, that means you have a, b, c, the inputs that are available at the inputs, I mean these are the inputs that are available. Where is y? Y is just nothing but 0. This is y. Y is nothing but b. Okay, sorry, y is nothing but b. So what is hardware requirement? What is hardware requirement? No logic gates needed. No logic gates needed. Now you see the scenario of no don't cares. You see the scenario of don't cares. Both are anyways giving me the same logical value. As a sensible engineer, what decision you will take? Whether will you consider don't cares or don't consider don't cares? You will definitely consider, correct? We will take the advantage of don't cares by considering them. Are you getting it? So this is the concept of don't cares. One must keep these 2 points in mind. Are you getting it? Now we have lot of gate problems solved. So we will solve one by one in detail. Let's see the next gate question. Before you see this, you need to keep in mind, don't desperately try to cover the don't cares. Use it only for your advantage. Don't use it for your disadvantage. Are you getting it? Don't try to cover the don't cares. I will show you what is it mean by. Correct? Now, don't try to cover the don't cares means, if you are covering once, in the process you are getting don't cares, you can use it. But don't want to cover the don't cares alone. Are you getting it? That's what it means. Cover only once. Now what is the question says? Which one of the following represents the minimal SOP of the K-map shown in the figure? Right, this is the K-map shown in the figure. Which one of the following represents the minimal SOP? So they are saying it is a minimal SOP. So focus on only once. So let us keep the don't cares also. Okay, sorry. Let us keep the don't cares also if we may need it. Right? Yes. Now treat this don't cares as once in this case, as once. Are you getting it? So now let's see, group of 16 ones possible, 16 ones not possible, group of 8 ones possible, Not possible. 4 ones, yes. Right? Now, what are the 4 ones that are possible here? So you can cover this. You can cover this. That's it. You have covered all the ones. Only 4 ones are present, right? 1, 2, 3, 4. Right? You have covered all the ones. Yes. By using only 2 groupings, I have covered all the ones. Correct now? That's ultimate solution. Correct? Now what is this corresponding to? This is y. In these 2 rows, y is constant and its value is 1. So y in these 2 column x. Now here in this entire row yz, y bar z. Correct? So the answer is yx plus y bar z, or means xy plus y bar z. So xy plus y bar z. Now what I said, now what are the some of the mistakes people will do is, they will try to cover this don't cares also like this. They will try to cover this don't care also like this. Don't do that. Use your don't cares for your advantage. The moment you have covered all the ones, leave it. Leave the don't cares. Are you getting it? Unnecessarily, if you are covering the don't cares, you are going to increase the products. By that, it is not going to be minimal. Are you getting it? So for this, the solution is option A. Let's see the next get question. In this get question, everything is written like K-map is given and all those things. I am just removing all these things and just writing what is y. Now here don't cares are there. Now you tell me what I have to consider don't cares as, because there are more ones are there. So you treat don't care as 1. If you treat all the don't cares as 1, so your entire thing you are going to cover. Correct? So what is this? Nothing but 1. Y is 1. What does this mean? Okay. So literally what does it mean? Y is 1. Y is 1. Correct? Y is 1 when A is 0, B is 0. Right? Y is 1 when ABC is 0, 0, 1. Y is 1 when 1, 0, 0. Y is 1 when 1, 0, 1. Correct? Means Y is 1. Correct? People are getting confused. That's why I am explaining this again and again. Y is 1 for A is 0, 0, 0. 0, 0, 1, 1, 0, 0, 1, 0, 1. This is what is given, correct? Now, right, some people may think, sir, what is y equal to 1? But I am getting like this, right? Y is equal to b bar. Now, what about this one? Here is the difference. Are you getting it? Literally, what does this mean is, y is 1 for all these combinations. And these combinations are nothing but don't cares, means they don't happen at all at the input side. Means what? Y is always 1, correct? Yes or no? Because these other combinations will never happen at all. Yes? Now, for these combinations, right, you take these combinations, put the value of B, in all these combinations the value of B is 0. Correct? If you keep the value, right, you will get 0 complement that is equal to 1. Yes, these two are logically same for these 4 combinations. But what you want? You want to get y equal to b bar, or you want to implement this function using y is equal to 1? Given an opportunity, I will take this. Because here what is that? Logic 1 is required, that's enough. Means any VCC is enough. But here you need to have B, you need to have a NOT gate, and you are going to implement like this. Means you need to depend on B and NOT gate. Here I don't depend on B or anything. I just depend on this one. This is available in the circuit anyways. Are you getting it? So if I choose like this, correct, I have more advantage than choosing this. So in this case also the right answer will be option C. Are you getting it? So don't debate on don't cares using logical values. Whether you take this or this, you will get the same thing. The idea is whether I can able to reduce my hardware or not, is that question. Are you getting it?